Hello and happy day. Welcome to New Age Custom Farming. If you're new here, we are a custom farming operation in Wisconsin. We just wrapped up corn and soybean harvest, so now it is on to winter projects for us here at the farm. Avery has been fixing his corn head today, and I don't know what else they've got going on here at the farm in the shop. We'll check on that later. And then it is a Friday, so we always pick up new calves from a dairy farm. We buy bull calves from a local dairy farm that we raise for beef. So we're gonna go pick up new calves today, and then I am feeding some of our steers. So let's get into today's video. Gave the older steers their grain, and now it is time to check on the younger calves to see if there are any that need to be pushed up into our robot to drink. And then after that, we will move some out of here and then go pick up the new calves. So we use a robot to feed our calves, an automatic feeder, and so they all have collars, and then they're in 4 different pens, and then those collars talk to our robot and let the robot know who the calf is, and then the robot knows how much they should drink each day, each feeding, and then they're able to drink whenever they'd like. Rounding up the calves that are ready to be moved out. They were all primarily in this pen, and then a few escaped over into that pen that I'll have to go grab. So the one woman show to do this today. Off to get new calves, and we have a full cab. George is coming with. We picked up 10 new calves today, so they're all getting their additive and electrolytes now. And then this is actually the pen that they'll be in, so easy peasy once we're done. There's the new ones. Oh. Are you all tucked up? Done with calves. They are fixing a manure spread in the shop, which I want absolutely nothing to do with, so I'm heading home. Showing off our new shirts available now. We will link it in the description box below, and maybe a QR code right here. So new merch available, should be able to get there in time for Christmas, so send to your biggest New Age Custom Farming fan. Figured this shirt was fitting. It says farm, fix, repeat. It's backwards on this, but you know, if you watch any of our videos, you know that's what we do, is we farm, we fix, and we repeat.
Mm-hmm.
Good lighting from the natural light.
Great, all right.
Except for it's really short.
That's not gonna work, just so you know.
Well, somebody has a tripod in their truck.
Just hold it down.
You guys aren't gonna... Here, you hold it then. I'll do the honors. You don't want, I was trying to make it so you're in it. Greggy got some Happy Mail from the National Farm Machinery Show. You think you got him?
I don't know.
I think they took one.
After last year's show, probably not. Who knows?
Hey, we gave him a good show.
We did. Thursday night?
Dear Puller, we're sorry to inform you, you have not been selected to participate in the 2025 National Farm Machinery Show.
Means we'll go to Florida instead.
Yep, you're pulling on Thursday night.
Right?
So, I'll put a QR code right here in the description. Buy your tickets now. Like, this is such a terrible angle.
Well, okay. My arm's getting tired.
We'll put a QR code right here and in the description for you guys to be able to buy your tickets and watch Greggy hopefully not blow up. Go
And
down
not
the track
suck.
And not suck. Thursday night at the National Farm Machinery Show.
Right.
Yahoo!
Back to work. Back to work.
Yeah, like you see, Majesty President, it's been going on probably over 20 years since he's been in charge of that organization.
They're firing it up.
They just keep on smiling up there, and more quality bulls. So the load of New Holland here in our pro stock class here tonight. We have any blue fans out there? We're going to lump the Ford and the New Holland fans together here tonight. We got any out there? All right. This may be a bold prediction, it may not be, but I think we're going to have to be in the same pile to win it. I really do. And gotta hit that sweet spot. We saw with Kevin Schmucker just down the center of the track there. Goes that center here. That seems to be the hot spot. Very, very close to the head of that sand, so I'm going to have to sit back and just ride. Aim to make that the track.
So that's not good. Oh no! Oh no, 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 no.
I'll tell you what. Fans, let's give it a tough
I don't
round of
think
applause here
I've
for
ever done
ALC.
that hard of a track before.
TA Tomcat. Leading very, very hard. There's no question about it. You got to make the finals in Louisville to win on Saturday night. And we watch that later as well as here on the replay board as Mr. Greg Elsing makes the pass with the Tomcat. All right, as we check out the replay here, we see now getting down the nitty-gritty down here at the end of the track. The tractor just about slowed down, getting ready to spit out here.
So we turned it up a little too much, I think. The turbo is no longer there. No. Thanks so much for farming with us. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.